Grizzly bears. For the past few weeks, there has been little food for them on the tundra, and this one is extremely hungry. He's looking for the weak and weary. And he's found one. Too tired to flee, and too weak to resist. The herds finally reach the northern limits of its range. These coastal pastures bordering the Arctic Ocean remain cool enough to provide relief from the swarms of insects. Mothers and calves can finally feed in peace. For now, this immense herd is stable. But in the long term, its survival is now uncertain. The seasonal extremes of the far north have always tested its inhabitants to the limits. But climate change could present them with one challenge too many. Only if we can mitigate its effects will the remarkable wildlife here stand a chance of survival.